A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, today we are going to learn the new lesson, multiplication. I think you have learnt about multiplication in class 3, isn't it? Do you remember? So, can you tell me what is multiplication? Yes, it is the repeated addition of a number. And I hope you have learnt multiplication tables up to 10. Children, it is very important that you know about the multiplication tables. Also, you know that the answer of multiplication is called, yes, it is called product. Okay? So today we will learn some of the properties of multiplication and also how to multiply a number with 10, 100, 1000 and with multiples of 10 also. So, are you ready, children? Shall we go and learn? Okay, so let's start. Properties of multiplication. So, first property. For example, let us multiply 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? Yes, that is equal to 8. Now let us see what is 4 into 2. Yes, 4 into 2 is also equal to 8. So we can say that the product of 2 into 4 and 4 into 2 are same and that is equal to 8. So we can say that the first property is two numbers can be multiplied in any order and the product remains the same. Property 2. For example, let me consider the product of 6 into 2 into 5. First, let me multiply 2 and 5. So, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Then multiply 6 with 10. So, 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Now, let me see what will be the answer if I multiply 6 and 2 first. Now 6 into 2 is equal to 12 and 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. So in both the cases we can see that the answer is the same. So we can say that the second property is 3 or more numbers multiplied together can be grouped in any way and the product remains the same. Now children, can you tell me what is 8 into 1? Yes, it is equal to 8, isn't it? What about 12 into 1? Yes, that is also equal to 12. So we can say that when you multiply a number with 1, the answer is the same number or the product is the same number. So from this we can say that the product of 1 and any number is the number itself. Next, property 4. Children, can you tell me what is 5 into 0? Yes, it is equal to 0, isn't it? What about 28 into 0? Yes, that also is equal to 0. So we can say that when you multiply a number with 0, the product is always 0. So, the fourth property states that the product of 0 and any number is always 0. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Children, you have already learned the multiplication of 10 and 100 in class 3, isn't it? So now let us revise the multiplication of numbers by 10 and 100 now. Multiplication by 10. To multiply a number by 10, put 1 0 to the right of the number. For example, 16 into 10. First, place the number 16 and then put a 0 onto the right of the number. So the answer is 160. Next, 125 into 10. Write the number 125 and then put a 0 onto the right of the number. So the answer is 1250. So that is easy, no children? So now let us see the multiplication of a number by 100. To multiply a number by 100, put two zeros to the right of the number. Example, 45 into 100. Write the number 45 first and then place two zeros to the right. So the answer is 4500. Now another example, 2 into 100. Write the number 2 and place two zeros to the right. So that is equal to 200. Now let us learn how to multiply a number by 1000. To multiply a number by 1000, put three zeros to the right of the number. For example, 67 into 1000. That is equal to, put the number 67 first and then put three zeros to the right of the number. So the answer is 67,000. Now 165 into 1000. Write the number 165 and put three zeros to the right. So you have the answer as 1,65,000. Now let us see how to multiply a number with 20, 30, 40, etc. For example, 2 into 40. First, we have to multiply the number 2 and 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now place the 0 onto the right. So you get the answer as 80. So 2 into 40 is equal to 80. Let us see one more example, children. 32 into 20. First multiply 32 with 2. 32 into 2 is equal to 64. So write 64 and then place 0 to the right. So the answer is 640. That's easy, no children? Now let us see how to multiply a number with 200, 300, 400, etc. Okay, let us take an example. Let us multiply 14 into 200. Now, first we have to multiply the numbers 14 and 2. And 14 into 2 is equal to 28. Now place the two zeros onto the right of the number. So we get the answer as 2800. Okay, now let us go for another example, children. 24 into 300. First multiply 24 into 3. 24 into 3 is equal to 72. So now place the two zeros onto the right of the number. So the answer is 7200. Okay. Now let us learn how to multiply a number with 2000, 3000, 4000, etc. For example, let us take 5 into 4000. So first multiply 5 into 4. You get the answer as 20. Now place three zeros to the right. So the answer is 20,000. Okay, children. Now let us see one more example. 13 into 5000. First multiply 13 and 5. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. So now place the three zeros to the right. Yes, the answer is 65,000. So now children, you have understood how to multiply numbers with 10, hundreds and 1000. Now let us do exercise 1. Fill in the blanks using the properties of multiplication. A, 13 into 4 into dash is equal to 20 into 13 into 4. Yes children, which number is missing here? Yes, it is 20. So the answer is 20. Now B, dash into 1 is equal to 409. Using the third property, we can say that the number here is 409. Next C, 23 into 49 into 65 is equal to 49 into dash into 23. Using the first order property, we have the answer as 49 into 65 into 23. Okay children? D. 0 into 0 is always equal to 0. Next, E. 34 into 46 into 12 is equal to 34 into 46 into 12 using the second property of multiplication. F. 123 into 0, and that is equal to 0. So children, in this class you have learned about the properties of multiplication and how to multiply a number with 10, 100, 1000 and also with multiples of 10. Now go through the YouTube video, write down the notes, answer the questions which I have given in the session and practice more problems on this topic. See you again in the next class. Until then, goodbye, stay safe and stay home.